Afternoon, my name is Chris Greenwood. I am the Blue Ridge broker, and I'm at atop a hill in Banner Elk, and over my shoulder you can see Grandfather Mountain. Grandfather Mountain is about 300 million years old. The Blue Ridge Mountains and the Smokies are the oldest mountain range in the world, and it sits at about 5,900 feet. It's the highest in the Blue Ridge area. And the two towns that are most closest there are Banner Elk, with about a population of 1,000 people, and Newland, population of about 700 people. And this is the highlands up here. I'm right in front of the Avery County YMCA, and just want to kind of show this as a neighborhood to you. There's many people that come to Banner Elk for the summer. The New River starts here in Linville. New River is actually one of the second oldest rivers in the world. So in the types of the outdoor activities people enjoy are hiking, biking, just driving, and it's a cool elevation. In fact, some of the two reasons people come here are what I call the free air conditioning, which you get in the summer, and then again the fall. And we're just getting ready to experience fall. This is early November. I'm going to raise the camera up and just kind of show you a couple of trees. The leaves are really going to begin to fall here in the next week or so. Just want to share this with you, and this is one of the reasons that people come to the high country. Okay, again, Chris Greenwood. This is for informational purposes only. I'm not buying or selling real estate right now, but starting January 2024, I'm a broker, and I will be selling business under the Blue Ridge broker, Chris Greenwood. Thank you. Now I'm just going to show you some trees here in the park. You can see it's really pretty. And all those trees there, another week, 10 days, are all going to begin to fall and just color really nicely. So we've got some nice color going here. Thanks for watching.